Do you have trouble with listening part one? Well, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you will be much more comfortable and confident with this part of the test.
My name's Phil,
And I'm Michael.
and you're watching the IELTS Grind.
Remember to like and subscribe. Now, Phil, what exactly is part one listening?
I think the most important thing to remember is, firstly, you're going to be listening to two people. So it's a conversation where information is exchanged, or a transactional conversation. And the second thing, if it's going to be about a general topic. Yeah. So today we've chosen a general topic, which is renting an apartment.
Oh.
Okay. So,
And Phil, what exactly are we going to be doing today?
okay, so it's quite easy. We're going to do a live kind of simulation of the test. So you're going to listen to Michael and I having a conversation. But before we do that, we're going to be looking at the questions, okay? So you should always read the questions, and we're going to try and think, what is the possible answer? We're going to use things like grammar to help us. We're going to use our knowledge of vocabulary, and sometimes we're just going to make a guess, because it's logical what's going to come next. After we talk about the questions, which will appear on screen, we're going to have a conversation. It may be a little bit funny. It may not be. Depends what we do.
It's probably going to be funny.
And then we're going to go over the answers to the questions and talk about why it's the answer. So, shall we get into it?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Transition.
Okay. So this is Phil here in post-production. Let's just talk about those questions. So it tells us to write no more than 3 words and or a number. So that means 1 word is okay, 2 words is okay, 3 words are okay, and a number would be okay. So it says the name, Philip Michaels. We'll talk about that later. And then number 1, source of ad. So where did the ad, the advertisement, where did that come from? I think this is probably going to be a noun. It could even be a place, like a shop, or it could be an online source of ads, possibly. Then we get into the details. So it's going to tell us the size of the apartment, which is 30 square feet. And then number 2, how many rooms? Well, this must be a number. So we're looking for the number of rooms in this apartment. Furnishings, it says a TV, bed, AC, air conditioning. And then after they mention those, we've got 3 and 4. So 3 says an something. So this must be something in the singular. It's a singular noun because it says an. And it must mean that the next word starts with a vowel. So it could be at least 2 words, I would say. So I think we've probably got an adjective and a noun here in the singular. And number 4 is another furnishing, and it says an chair. So again, we can see that it's a singular noun, a chair. So we must be looking for at least an adjective here to describe the chair, maybe the colour or what it's made out of, something like this. Moving on, it says balcony. Yes, there's a balcony. Then the rent is number 5. So it's given us that pound signal there. So this must be a number. Deposit, number 6. Well, I know that a deposit is something you pay before you move into an apartment in case you damage it. So again, it could be a number, or it could be sort of equivalent to rent, possibly. So it could be a number and words here. Appointment, it's number 7. Appointment, this is meeting up. So this could be a time, it could be a date, it could be a place, possibly. Moving in date, next April. Phone number for number 8, must be a phone number. Just watch out for the sort of double numbers, double 1, double 2, 0 versus O. The email address, number 9, so they're probably going to spell this out and write down the email address. And number 10, to send something, so it must be a noun. Okay, guys, so that is the analysis of the questions. Let's listen to the recording.
Ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring.
Ahoy, hoy.
Hello?
Hello.
I'm calling about the Facebook ad that I saw.
Oh, for the apartment?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, yeah. So who am I speaking to?
Oh, my name is Philip Michaels.
Philip Michaels. Okay, yeah. How can I help you?
Well, you had some really good pictures of the apartment, but it was a bit lacking on details. Can I
Oh,
ask
okay.
you some questions after those?
Yeah, of course.
So first of all, how big is the apartment?
It's it's 30 meters square, in fact, yeah.
Okay. And how many rooms is included?
Okay, so it's got one separate bedroom,
Okay.
and then the rest it has a large living area.
Okay. And is there a wall separating the bedroom from the
Yeah. So
living
it's
area?
it's a proper separate room. There's a door and everything. Yeah.
Okay. And is there an ensuite bathroom?
It's not a total ensuite bathroom. So you've got within the bedroom area, there's actually the toilet's there, so the actual toilet, and then the shower and the sink is in a separate kind of space off the main living room.
It's not in the bathroom.
Well, it's separated between two rooms, if you see what I mean.
Okay. Kind of like in a hallway?
Oh, not in the hallway. No. Within it's a pod. We call it. We call it the shower pod.
Okay. And that's in the main living area.
Yeah, just off it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So total that would be the bedroom, the bathroom, and then the living area, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Okay. Is there a balcony?
There is actually. Yeah. It's quite a nice little one. South view, so south facing.
Okay.
And it's kind of big enough for a small table, a chair. Nice place for a morning coffee, I'd say.
Gotcha. And is this a furnished apartment?
It's partially furnished. Yeah.
Okay. In my previous apartment, the landlord wouldn't let me replace the furnished things, and that rubbed me the wrong way.
Oh, I see.
Is it possible for me to get rid of anything I don't like?
Well, let me tell you what's in there at the moment, and I can tell you what you can move and what has to stay.
Okay.
So there is a television. It's quite a large one. There's also in the bedroom. There's a bed frame and there's a mattress already.
Okay.
There's also a large wooden dresser, and there's also it's a purple chair. I have to admit, it's maybe not the most attractive chair, but it is a family heirloom. So the chair and the dresser really needs to stay.
Uh, can you leave them in your house?
No, I'm afraid I don't have any storage for those in my house. It's kind of part of the agreement. They have to stay in the apartment, but everything else you can move.
Okay. So like if I wanted to replace the bed, that'd be fine.
Yeah, it's not a problem. Yeah.
Does the apartment come with AC?
Yeah, there's AC there. It's all it's in there. Obviously, you can't remove that. That needs to be part of the apartment.
Okay. Does that mean that if there's problems with the AC, it's your responsibility?
Oh yeah, definitely. We'll fix that. Yeah, not a problem.
Okay. Awesome. And am I right? Is the rent 800 a month?
Yep. 800 pounds. Yep.
Is there any room to negotiate here?
Well, if I'm honest, that's quite a good price for the local area. If you look at the facilities we have compared to some of the other apartments, I think it's a pretty good price.
Okay.
I think you'll agree if you come and see the place.
Okay. Is there a deposit?
Yeah. So we currently ask for 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
But I have to be honest that we rarely have to keep the deposit. It's really just because it's quite a good apartment, so it's the finishing's quite nice. So yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, so 3 months deposit plus first month rent.
Gotcha. Can I actually come and see the apartment?
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah. When are you free?
Does tomorrow work at 6?
6 in the evening. Yeah.
No. Sorry, 6 a.m.
Oh. Early bird catches a worm.
Yeah. I'm a morning person.
It's a little bit early for me. I live across town. How about 9 o'clock? Is that better for you?
I gotta be to work by 10.
Probably I could do 8.
8's okay. I can do 8.
Okay, so 8 a.m. You have the address, yeah?
Yep, yep.
Yep. Yeah, I can see you there. Can I just get a couple of details from you?
Yeah.
So, first of all, what's your telephone number?
Yeah, it's 0900 2020 666.
So 09020.
No, there are 2 zeros there.
Okay, so yeah, okay, 09002020666.
Yep, that's exactly right.
Okay, and it's Philip Michaels, right?
Yep, that's right.
Okay, and how about an email address? And I can actually send you the contract.
Oh, that's fast. Okay.
Or you can just have a look over it, yeah.
It's pikel@gmail.com.
Pikel with a Y?
No, that's Pickle.
Okay, at Gmail.
Yep, that's right.
Okay, right, I got those details. So I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Transition.
Okay. Seriously? Philip Michaels?
I'm not the most original person.
Okay, guys, so hopefully you got all of those answers. You've written something down. So let's look at what the answers are.
Yeah. Hey guys, how'd you guys do? Not too badly, I hope. Remember, the main thing here is to use your time before the listening to look at the questions carefully to find keywords and then also make good predictions.
Yeah, it's really, really going to help you out if you have a good idea of what's coming up and what to listen out for. And also, we've got plenty more videos and resources all about the listening, all 4 parts of the test. And you can check that out in a playlist at the end of this video.
Yeah. And one last thing, if you knew what Pikel was referring to, if you knew where Pikel came from, please leave a comment down below.
Yeah, and you'll win a like.
We will like you more. This has been Michael.
And I'm Phil, and you've been watching the IELTS Grind. See you next time.
See you next time.